Hello guys, and this is my third unboxing for the day. It will be the Gemini Jets TNT Boeing 737-300 QC. QC, I believe that it's converted cargo or something like that. So of course, as you can see on the plane there's windows, and TNT is a cargo airline, so it might be passenger plane converted into cargo plane. I'm not very sure. And this plane carries a radio of OO-TNG. Not sure which country is that. So let's get to the details of the box. And as you can see, the usual Gemini Jets glove box with mark flap. And up here, Gemini Jets with reflectors, white reflectors. And here you can see we drawing of the 737-300 QC in TNT colors. Here, TNT aircraft model, 100 scale by model aircraft. And at the bottom, Gemini Jets and all the usual stuff here. 100 scale die cast model, highly flexible, superior quality, and Gemini Jets and the Gemini Jet is a lot better and this is item number GJTAY473. And at the back, you can see the plane, its takeoff position there. Gemini Jets, as well as jets, everything else. Product under license from Boeing. Boeing officially licensed in China. And this is a 2009 Gemini Jets release. So, pop open the flap. You can see the information, the 737-300 QC here. If you want to read it, you can just pause the video and read it. And here, information on the plane. So it is in TNT Airways directly, just like 737 right there. Construction number of 24255, line number 1625, registration OO-TNG, and 2 CFM56 engines. First flight on 7th October 88 and delivery date on 1st of July 06. And everything else here. And have the Gemini Jets website here. And here is the tiny model. You'll see how small it is when I take it out of the box. Okay, so let me lower this first and let's get to the model. This is a absolutely tiny aircraft, as the 737-300 is small and it's in 1/400 scale. It's even smaller than the A320 in 1/400. Plastics on the plane, and here is the tiny model. As you can see, compared to my hands, it only fits my palm. So, and if compared to the box, it's just 1/4 of it. Anyways, let's get to the model. And as you can see, the orange head, the white back. So here, the cockpit windows, the wipers, the pretty accurate nose, molded nose here, and some pitot tubes. And the gear, unfortunately the gear does not spin. And the registration, ending of the registration painted on the landing gear door once again. Some details, a cargo door here, and as you can see there are windows on this plane. I believe they have not changed yet, or they do not want to change it anymore and just leave it like that for delivery purposes. And here it says Global Express Logistics and Mail. The CFM 56 engine, and the wing, the very detailed wings with the flaps and slats all painted in, and the shiny silver on the top. And these I believe are for the flaps, but do correct me if I'm wrong. And here the escape path, which I believe they do not have to use it. And TNT here, some black on the top, the right wing, and the stabilizers, and also the tail, and the registration here. And if we turn it to the bottom, you can see the nose part, orange, and Gemini jets, the stand hole, and the accurately placed landing gears with the holes over here. If you do not know, 737s do not have landing gear covers if the landing gear store up. So cargo door here, some details, and the registration on the bottom of the left wing here. And yeah, so it's a very nice model, but it's absolutely tiny. So if you like bigger models, I don't think you would prefer this because it's absolutely tiny. It's about 10 centimeters long. Yeah. So thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks guys. Bye.